Girls, here we are in our class kick. We are looking at question number 6, or I should say slide number 6. So we need to read the question. I'll reread it, jail the details, come up with a plan, follow our plan, and check our work. So it says grapes cost $2.59 per pound. James buys a bag of grapes that weighs 4.73 pounds. How much does the bag of grapes cost? Okay, let's reread and find some important information. So the grapes cost $2.59 per pound. That's important. James buys a bag of grapes that weighs 4.73 pounds. Also important to know that. How much does the bag cost? Well, altogether, well, let's see here. We're not going to subtract. We're not going to do addition. We need to multiply. Okay, we need to multiply the amount of grapes, which was 4.73 pounds, times how much it was per pound. So let's set up a multiplication problem. So it was $2 and let me double check, 59 cents a pound. And there was a bunch of grapes that was 4 pounds and 73 hundredths. All right, so there we go. Now, we have learned that when we are multiplying with decimal numbers, we just ignore the decimals and we do the multiplication. Okay, so let's start with our 3 down here, and we're going to multiply 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27, carry my 2. And then 3 times 5, 15, plus 2 more is 17. 3 times 2 is 6, plus my 1 is 7. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and move to the next place, which is the 7, and I need to fill in a 0 here because it's not just 7. All right, so 7 times 9 is 63, and I'm trying to keep everything lined up. 7 times 5 is 35, but then I have to add that 6, and I get 41. Okay, my 4. Use that. 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 4 is 18. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Now I'm going to move to the next digit to do some multiplication, but it's not just a 4. If I am ignoring those decimals, it's actually in the hundreds place, so I've got to make it 400. All right, so 4 times 9 up here is 36. Carry my 3. We've used those two, so 3. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, and then I add the 3, I get 23. Carry my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. So 0 and 1. And I've got to add those all up. Those are all my partial products. Now let's add them. 7 and 0, 0 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. Carry my 1. 7 and 1 is 8. And another one is 9. And 6 is 15. Carry my 1. 8 and 1 is 9. And 3 more is 12. Carry my 1. 1 and 1 and 0 is 2, and then 1. Now I'm not done yet. I have to go back and I have to say, hey, how many positions did I have in each of my factors, each of the numbers that I multiplied together that have decimal points? So there's 2 in the first one and 2 in the second one. So altogether there's 4. That means in my answer, my decimal right now is after the whole number. I've got to move it 4 places. Scoop, 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 scoop. That's a pretty big decimal point, but that's okay. And now I have 12.2507. Okay, but let me go back up here. What was it? How much does it cost? So I'm going to do a little rounding because with money, we don't go out to these positions. Okay, so I'm going to say cost $12.25. Check your work. If you have made a mistake, please check it, fix it, make your whiteboard look like mine. If you did it on your notebook and you want to upload a picture, you've just got to click the add image and you can put the picture to show your work.